Ever wondered what happens when a software developer makes a change to a code base? How does it go from being a few lines of code to a functioning part of an application? The answer lies in a process known as the CI/CD pipeline. The CI/CD pipeline is a tool that automates the steps of software delivery. It takes the code, builds it, runs tests, and if everything is in order, safely deploys a new version of the software. This automation reduces the risk of manual errors, provides feedback to developers, and allows for rapid iterations of a product. We can break down the CI/CD pipeline into two main parts: continuous integration and continuous delivery. Continuous integration is a method where team members integrate their work frequently, often daily. Each integration is checked by an automated build to detect errors quickly. Continuous delivery is a system where software is developed in short cycles, ensuring that it can be reliably released at any time. Continuous deployment, a step further than continuous delivery, is a process where every change that passes the automated tests is automatically deployed to production. Now, let's dive into the stages of a CI/CD pipeline. The source stage is where the pipeline is triggered by a change in the code repository. Any adjustments to the code notify the CI/CD tool, which then runs the corresponding pipeline. Next, we have the build stage. Here, the source code and its dependencies are merged to create a runnable instance of the software. Depending on the programming language used, this stage may involve compiling the code. Following the build stage, we have the test stage. This is where automated tests are run to validate the code and the software's behavior. If any bugs are detected, they are addressed before the product reaches the user. Finally, we have the deploy stage. This is where the software goes live. After passing all the required tests, the build is ready to be deployed to the live server. To give you an example of a CI/CD pipeline in action, let's say a team is using GitHub for source code control, Circle CI for continuous integration and delivery, and AWS for deployment. When a developer commits a change, Circle CI is notified, pulls the updated code from GitHub, and begins to build and test it. If everything checks out, Circle CI deploys the code to the AWS server. In conclusion, the CI/CD pipeline is an integral part of modern software development. It automates the process of software delivery, reducing errors, providing rapid feedback, and allowing for quick product iterations. By understanding and implementing a CI/CD pipeline, teams can significantly improve their software development process and product quality.